Hello, and welcome to ECE 1472, Analog Communication Systems. My name is Steve Jacobs. I'm an Associate Professor of Electrical and Computer Engineering at the University of Pittsburgh, and I'll be the instructor for the course. We will study communication systems where the message to be transmitted is an analog signal, which means that it is continuous in time and can take any value within some range.
Analog communication systems.
Everyone is familiar with many different kinds of communication systems, like this AM/FM radio or a smartphone. Both of these systems communicate wirelessly using radio waves, but there are also some important differences. For example, a smartphone can both transmit and receive signals, but this radio is only a receiver. Also, different frequencies are used for different types of signals. AM radio signals have frequencies between roughly 0.5 and 1.7 MHz. FM radio signals have frequencies around 100 MHz, and cell phone signals can occupy many frequencies in the 700 MHz to 2.2 GHz range. Another difference is that AM and FM radio are analog formats, because an analog message signal is directly encoded in either the amplitude or the frequency of the transmitted signal. For smartphones, analog message signals, including voice, are first sampled, and then each sample is encoded as a string of bits, and the bits are transmitted or received. Therefore, smartphones are a form of digital communication system. The content of this course includes lectures, homework assignments, 2 exams, and 2 laboratory experiments. The goal for all students is to integrate knowledge at the mathematical level, the systems or block diagram level, and the circuit level. In the homework problems, you will demonstrate understanding of mathematical models for signals at different points in a communication system, and you'll learn what these models tell us about the design of transmitters and receivers. To do that, you will apply concepts from your Signals and Systems courses, and you'll extend your understanding of those concepts to communication systems. You should begin working on the homework as soon as it is assigned, so that you will have time to ask questions about concepts that are unclear. The 2 laboratory experiments will allow you to build systems for generating AM and FM signals, and recovering the messages from those signals. In Lab 1, you will use a software-defined radio, like the one I have here, and program it to implement an AM transmitter and an AM receiver. The programming environment you will use is GNU Radio Companion, which allows you to define radio systems by connecting different blocks together that perform specific tasks. This experiment will reinforce your understanding at the systems level, and allow you to visualize the signals and spectra that are produced at many different points in the system. In Lab 2, you will construct and test a circuit that uses phase lock loops to perform FM modulation and demodulation. The circuit you build will be similar to this one, consisting of a few ICs, resistors, and capacitors that will be provided to you as a lab kit. This experiment will reinforce learning at the circuit level, and you will use benchtop test equipment to troubleshoot and calibrate your modulator and demodulator. Please look over the Canvas site for ECE 1472 and familiarize yourself with the syllabus and the course policies. The site is organized into modules, which you can see by clicking on the modules link in the course menu. I look forward to working with you this semester.